So welcome students. In this question you are given that the complex number omega is z by z minus I by 3 and mod omega is equal to 1. If that is so, where should z lie? What is the locus of z? So again a very straightforward question. So mod of omega is nothing but mod of z by z minus I by 3 and this is given as 1. This implies mod z by mod of z minus I by 3 is equal to 1 because mod of z1 by z2 is mod z1 by mod z2. This implies mod z is equal to mod of z minus I by 3. Mod of z is equal to mod of z minus I by 3. What is the meaning of this? The meaning of this is the distance of z from origin. So if you draw the origin plane, so let this be the origin. Let this be the complex number I by 3. So my z is such that the distance of z from origin is same as the distance of z from the complex number I by 3. So where should z lie such that z satisfies this condition? Z should be equidistant from origin and the complex number I by 3. So obviously z has to lie on the perpendicular bisector of these 2 points. So because the locus of the point which is equidistant from 2 given points is nothing but the perpendicular bisector. Hence, z lies on a straight line should be the answer. Thank you.